My name is Christina, and I'm CEO and co-founder of Invox Wine. We are building AI-driven personalized wine sales. The wine industry has the customer problem. It's simply chasing the wrong customers. To solve it, we analyzed wine from inside. We disassembled thousands of professional reviews to unique descriptors and vectors. It helps us to understand how similar each wine is. With that, we are removing choice complexity and building classified-free experience. On the other side, we understand customers, their preferences, taste, and what is also important, budget. Altogether, it helps us to build shopping simple as Netflix, Spotify, or YouTube. So, we enable existing wine sellers and wine merchants to build unique scenarios for their customers, like most similar wines, personalized chatbots. So imagine each user has his own personal digital sommelier. The market size is quite achievable. It will be 10 million in 5 years. And it's only if we focus on wine. Shall we enter other products? It will eventually grow. Competitors are mainly indirect. They are either focused on individual apps development or general recommendation systems. We are focused on business needs and one product. Team is experienced in executive management, like me, and in engineering, AI, and technology development, like Volodymyr. We have data experience, we understand wine, and are supported by professional experts with top-level recognition in the wine industry. We are B2B2C vertical SaaS. Our pricing starts with $2,000 per month per client and is value and usage-based. We expect to make 10 million ARR in 5 years, and to do that, we need to acquire 417 clients. Our ideal customers are large, medium retailers, wine shops, and wine clubs. So we request 500K for 10% of equity to mainly drive sales and further development of technology. So experience the future of personalized wine shopping together with us and build exceptional customer satisfaction. Thank you.